have checked it already. So let's signal on, headlights on. And now start from the front, starting from the top of the truck. No damage. Student driver sign is present and clean. All 5 marker lights are working. Coming down my windshield, no crack, no chips. My wipers are sitting at a rest position right now. Top of the hood, no damage. My grill properly mounted and secure, no damage. Coming down, front bumper is properly mounted and secure, no damage. My license plate is properly mounted, clean. We will match it with the paperwork. Underneath the truck, there is no obstruction, no leakage. Come back a little bit. Now, both my low beams are working. And now we're gonna go counterclockwise. My left signal light is working, left reflector is intact, the lens is clean and no damage. Come in here, my hood mirror properly mounted and secure, no damage, lens is clean. Fender, front fender properly mounted and secure, no damage. The hood is latched, rear fender properly mounted and secure, no damage. Come in here, CVIP sticker for the truck is present and valid. We will match it with the paperwork later on. Company logo is present and clean. Side mirror properly mounted and secure, no damage. Lens is clean. Door opening and closing properly. Door hinges are properly mounted and secure. Grab handles properly mounted and secure. And at the same time, you're going to open up your storage compartment. Just open it, leave it. Now, closing the door. Door is closing and locking properly. Both my steps properly mounted and secure. No debris, no ice, snow, grease or oil. Properly mounted and secure. My fuel tank properly mounted and secure. All 3 straps are present with rubber in between for no metal to metal contact. Fuel tank cap is tight, no damage and leakage underneath. Side of the truck body, no visible damage. Now come in here. My storage compartment door opening and closing properly. Hinges are tight. I have got my first aid kit, my fire extinguisher which is valid, fully charged and the safety pin is present, and 2 of the safety triangles, minimum 2. There are 3 but minimum 2 should be present. Compartment lock in properly. This we have already checked in our fender defender, so you don't need to worry about it. Now we're going to jump onto the trailer, starting from the top. The top marker light is working. Coming down, DOT tape minimum 50% present. Side of the trailer body, no damage. Already checked this in coupling, but still you can check. CVIP sticker for the trailer is present and valid. We will match it with the paperwork later on. Continuing on here. Landing gear secure, leg is straight, foot has a play on it, landing gear handle is stored away, and the connecting rod in between is fully mounted and secure. Now come in here and turn around and check for your truck left signal light working and the tail lights working. 5 points each. So signal light working and the trailer light working. Tail lights working. So, come in here. Placard holder properly mounted and secure. Left signal light working. Now come in here. All my cross members are properly mounted and secure. No visible damage. No holes or damage on the floor of the trailer. If you go inside, first thing first, I'm going to talk about the air lines and electrical lines. They should be minimum 18 inches above the ground. Now we can come inside here, and the front axle of the trailer, we have to talk all the details about it. Starting from the axle, properly mounted and secure, no damage. The air tank, properly mounted and secure, no damage, no leakage. All the air lines are properly mounted and secure, no damage, no leakage. Come in here, 2 of my airbags, inflated, no CBC. My left and the right shock absorber properly mounted and secure, not bent, no cracks, no damages, no leakage. My brake chambers, both of them front brake chambers properly mounted and secure, no damage, no leakage. All the air lines, ABS lines properly mounted and secure, no damage, no leakage. Then You can talk about the inside rim, this one and that, both. The inside rim properly mounted, secure, no damage, no cracks. Inside of the tires, no CBC, and they are properly mounted onto the rim. This part all complete. We have covered everything. Let's go out. We're gonna talk about the bogey pins, which are right here. You can see one bogey pin and the other one is over there. All you have to say, 2 bogey pins present and out. Now, come in here. We're gonna group things up. All 4 tires, tap with the hammer, aggregate air pressure. All 4 tires are evenly worn, and the minimum tread depth on all 4 is 1.6 millimeters. Between the tires, no obstruction. Between the tires, no CBC, and the rims are tight. No crack, no damage. Come in outside. Outside, both the tires have no CBC. Both the tires are sitting properly onto the rims. Both these rims have no cracks, no damages. Now, we're gonna touch all the lug nuts are present and tight. No shiny parts, no spider marks around. All the hub nuts are properly secure, tight, present. No spider marks or shiny parts around it. Hub is secure, properly mounted. No damage, no leakage. And there will be 2 metal stem caps. One right here, one right here, because it's a dual. Same thing goes with this one. All the lug nuts present and tight. No shiny parts, spider marks around it. All the hub nuts present and tight. No shiny parts, spider marks around it. Hub is secure, properly mounted. No damage, no leakage. 2 metal stem caps are present. Trailer rear mud flap, properly mounted and secure, no damage. Now we're going to go inside and check the rear axle of the trailer. Same thing which we did over there. Rear axle, properly mounted and secure. There is only one fuel air tank.